Evaluation. Hi guys, if you are planning to pursue your studies in Canada or USA, then this video is for you. Yes, in order to be admitted to one of the accredited universities in Canada or the US, you should convert your academic scores according to American calculation. This is where WES comes into the picture. WES or World Education Service is one of the largest credential evaluation services that is recognized by educational institutions and employers in the US and Canada. This evaluation will provide you with academic equivalence for your credentials so that you can pursue further education or employment in these countries. This credit conversion can be helpful for you to select universities or job opportunities that have the required educational background. Now, how do you apply for WES Evaluation? It's just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Apply to WES on their website and get a reference number. Next, send a required documents to WES by your college along with the full payment in form of DD in a sealed envelope. WES does not accept the documents sent by students, agents or anyone else. As soon as the WES receives the documents, its staff examines and verifies them. After verification, they proceed to evaluation process. And finally, once the evaluation is done, WES delivers the report to the institutions you have designated. So, now let's see what are the documents requirement for the WES credit evaluation. This varies according to your country of education, type of education, etc. You can check the list of the required documents on the WES website according to your specifications. The major documents will be provisional degree certificate and annual statement of marks. If you have master degrees in fields such as engineering, education, technology or philosophy, you don't need to send the documents of your undergraduate degree. If your master's degree does not fall into the categories above, you have to submit your bachelor's degree documents as well. The documents must be attested, sealed and signed or stamped across the back flap of the envelope by the appropriate authentication officer of the college. If the envelope is opened or the stamp or the signature is missing across the back flap, WES will reject it right away. The college registrar should also sign the academic records request form, which you have to put in the same sealed envelope as your documents. There are 3 types of evaluations offered by WES. Number 1. Document by document. This evaluation contains a description of your academic credentials comprising your name of the institution, year awarded, and major field of study. It also provides the US or Canada equivalent for every credential. Number 2. Course by course. This evaluation includes all the information covered in the document by document valuation and also lists all the post-secondary subjects and their corresponding value according to US or Canada grade equivalents. Last is the CPA evaluation. This evaluation is useful for the applicants for Certified Public Accountant exams. A WES course-by-course evaluation costs $163, while a document-by-document evaluation costs $1 or $2. Extra charges will be applied if you want to rush service or express delivery. Based on the service requested by the students, WES completes the evaluation process within 7 business days. If additional verification is required, WES might take more time to evaluate. Therefore, GyanDhan always recommends you to start the process as early as possible to have your evaluation report completed on time. WES will evaluate your documents if you have attended a duly authorized institution in India. They do not have any list of recognized institutions. WES evaluation is very crucial for students who want to study or get job in the US or Canada. Get your grades evaluated and assess your chances of securing admissions to your desired universities. Please subscribe to GyanDhan for more such videos. Thank you.